That would be quiet. I'm hunting seagulls.
Or is it the Pacific?
No, it's not.
Is it the Gulf of Mexico?
It's the Gulf of Mexico.
It's
It's the Caribbean Sea.
You're a terrible human being. We're in Florida. If that helps.
We're in
a crap
Florida.
intro.
It means flowery.
Intro.
Pronounce it correctly.
Done.
Hey everybody, we're in Florida. We're on a beach.
Yay!
My sister's filming.
I am filming, kind of.
Turn it around so they can see your beautiful face.
Hello.
Hello.
What are we doing?
No.
That's what we need.
Pretty. I think this is for the YouTube channel that we made
Is it
at one
really?
time. Right. I filmed the dive bombing birds. It's just dive bombing. That's awesome.
That's like not helpful.
Looks cool though. It's freezing here. 65 degrees in Florida. It's not right. Woo. It's spiky. Hey girls, chase off those birds. 3, 2, 1, go. So many birds. So many birds. So many.
Stuff that was destroyed and some stuff that was burned.
And some stuff that was birds.
But mostly stuff on fire that was destroyed.
Yeah, birds. Birds. But like, birds.
We talk about people about our encounter with the ray.
I did not tell nice people about our encounter with the ray.
Oh, well, I encountered a ray. So yeah, there was a ray. Yeah, it was like a foot behind them, and I just thought like, guys, that's either a dolphin or a shark. So we should probably get out of the water, and if it comes up for air, then we'll go back.
Yeah.
And nothing came up for air. So
It's a
that was kind
stingray.
of crazy. But then all of a sudden, this ray comes leaping out of the water.
Yeah, it just jumped.
So that was just awesome. It was a flying fish.
Clearly we're not
Except
from
it wasn't
around
really
here.
a-
I saw it too, but I didn't get my phone out to video it quick enough. Choir song. Band geeks and music freaks, everybody. That's how we do.
The funniest part is that's an Australian bush song.
Is it?
It is. It's part of
I
a
liked it.
music arrangement entitled 3 Australian Bush Songs.
Excellent. I like it. And he's just gonna sing that until we get home. So does anyone else have any fun stories for the people of the interwebs? Does anyone else have any fun stories to tell? No, nobody? Because Joel's just gonna keep singing, so... Joel. Because why else would we be here? Onward and upward. The beach is boring. I'm just documenting this walk because there's so much to talk about and we're not talking about any of it. No one else is skipping. Oh, there goes Ellen. Well, I'm not skipping.
Skipping is dangerous.
Yeah, shells everywhere.
Skipping will cut your feet.
Yes.
Yeah, Joel the Unwinky. That was
Joel
my
the
name
Unwinky.
to one person because she thought I was like very, very tall. That I
You should have been a Winky. You really should have.
No,
I agree with
I
her.
had to be an Aussie.
In The Wizard of Oz.
I didn't want to paint my face green and wear a funny hat. Hey look, castle.
Hey, look. Birds. Pit trap. This video is just a continuous mess of boring, nothing,
You'll have to cut it out.
everything. Bird. Okay, we're leaving. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Eat your vegetables.
Eat your vegetables. Okay, bye.